Hey guys, we're working on this CJ5 body again. I got this corner that was really mangled up, roughed in, and before I hit it with the shrinking disc or do anything like that, this area, when it took a hit, it pushed the spare tire carrier in. It tore all that metal and it really dented that. And I can't just get behind it to knock it out and get it straight again. So we're welding these pins on. And I put this first row in down here. And that's what it looks like. You got a lot of bad gap. And I just started here and pulled it out with the pins. And you can see how it straightened that right out. Now this section here is in again. And we're going to hook up the little slide hammer and pull that out until it's straight. So we'll pull them out a little bit at a time, and we'll just keep checking as we go. No sense in going over too much. So you see we gained on that a little bit. Got just a little bit more to go right in there, and we'll be in good shape. So we'll just keep working on this, and you can see I got all these lines on here, and that's roughly where we're going to put our pins. And I'll take some footage of the next time we're putting some pins on so you can see those go on. Okay guys, we're going to throw some studs on here. We got a real deep area to get taken care of. It's real deep in there, and then we're going to start getting into the tear. I'm not going to weld it up yet until I get all these surfaces even and get that big gouge out of there. So we'll just keep working our way up and getting that big belly out of there. Okay guys, we got Matt helping out today, and we're just continuing to bring that guy out little by little. And we're just going to keep working at it. Okay guys, we got this pretty well roughed in. Everything is laying flat. We've got a little stretched area right here, and we've got a lot of highs and lows, and we got kind of a little bit of a mess down here. And this is the place where a lot of guys will leave it, and they'll come through here and they'll squeegee this whole area with filler. And this is not a good area to put filler because you got your spare tire mounted here. Going down the road, you got flex. You don't want to put filler in this area, this whole quarter, if you don't have to, because it's just, with the flexing and the weight of the tire, it's just going to lead to trouble. So we're going to take the shrinking disc. See that, Matt?
Yep.
We're going to take the shrinking disc Gonna run it all along here. We're gonna take all these highs and lows and make them flat again. We'll come in here, we'll get that one out, and right along this, where this pocket is here, we'll clean all that up with the shrinking disc. We'll get everything tightened right up, and we won't have to use any filler in here. So I'm gonna work the shrinking disc. Matt's gonna work the cold air blast, and we'll try and get just some footage of this. We're gonna heat up an area. You're gonna see some areas start to turn blue, and those are the high areas. I'm going to take the shrinking disc away. Matt's going to put the air on immediately, and it'll shrink back into place. So we'll try and get you some footage of that next. Okay guys, after messing around with this, you can see that we got this very straight. We'll try it in a couple areas here. Seeing that, Matt?
Yep.
So we got to blend in this welded area a little better, and then do a little more metal finishing. But that's how we straightened out this side panel, and a little more detail work, it'll be all set. So we're going to end this one here, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.